All right, here's the layout of your range wall with a correction on that. Cooktop cabinet, sorry about that, oversight. Drawer stack here, and possibility of putting a standard cabinet with doors on it in place of another drawer stack, so it's just to break it up a little bit. But there's still rollouts in here. We can switch this to a 3-drawer stack, but I thought it looked a little better this way. A little tough to see, but anyway, so this cooktop cabinet, the top drawer, top of the cabinet, top of the drawer is going to be a little bit shorter because we need 5 inches from the top of the countertop to the top of the drawer for that cooktop to drop down in there. And with your hood, this is your hood model number. The cutout size on the underside of that hood is here. This guy's pretty deep because it moves so much air. So if we look at your hood, so this is 36 inches. This is bigger than 36 inches, and that's typical. We can make this a little bit smaller, maybe down to 40, but if you have a 36-inch insert, typically the hood is a little bit bigger to accept the blower. And the reason why is this is 34 3/8. So by making it a little bit shorter, we can lose a little bit of space here at 42. So maybe drop it down to 40 inches or so, just so and it's totally normal to have that hood wider than the range. So anyway, that is the reconfigured cooktop side. Let me know what you think about that. And on the apron sink here, so if we do this with, this is the panel for the apron, 10-inch drop down, 2 doors and a pull out underneath, which obviously works just fine. If you want to have a drawer in place of it, we'd need to do something like this, where that essentially would be, it'd look like two doors, or we can do a drawer and split it down the middle. A big deep drawer, and that depends on the plumbing, where that plumbing comes through to make sure it clears. But the only issue is you have to bend over all of this to get in there. I've run into this before with prior clients. So, I mean, it's fine if you want to do it, but just a FYI that it's a bit of a reach, I guess, to get in there. So if we're looking at, the face of that cabinet, just want to get a measurement here for this. Oh, over here. I don't know why it's grayed out on me. So from the floor to the top of that is only about 24, 25 inches. Yeah. And that's the top of the drawer box right there. So anyway, let me know what you think of that. And as far as, and then I can give you a little bit better shot of that wall. All right, thanks guys.